Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Wowstick 1P Plus precision screwdriver. I'm a dual power screwdriver, yes you are, and we are gonna find out together how we can work with that and make some precision repairs. It is faster, portable and more precise. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside. Okay, you can see we've got another 3 cases. I am a dual power screwdriver, home tools. I think here it is. Nice. Feels very nice to my hand by the first touch. Wowstick precision screwdriver dual power mix. It has an aluminum alloy body, German design and technology. Excellent grade craft, and it feels very nice. Creative dual power mixer technology, great dual power auto switch technology. It can be used with a dual power mode in the same time when one power mode is unscrewed. Well, let's see, and the other box. I'm a bits group with X0 accessories. Well, let's see, and that. Oh, nice case with all the bits inside. And there we've got the diagram with all the bits: P8000, B80, PH2, SL1, SL2, SL3, H2.5, H3, T5, T6, T8, P2, P5, P6, S0, 30, U06, U2.5, U3 and 0.8. 20 pieces included inside. Well, just open it and there we are. And we can see bits are made from S2 aluminum alloy, durable and portable. Nice. Let's check on the other box. And there's a lovely bag to carry on with you your precious screwdriver. Separate cases, one here. And one here. Nice. To protect everything inside. I like it. To work with that, we need 2 AAA batteries, 1.5 volt, total 3 volt DC. This is the silver color. And we can install it from here. Just unscrew that. And there we go. You can use a rechargeable batteries or non-rechargeable. Very easy to screw it. And we can see we've got the icon here, what batteries you need. Well, let's install one bit. Left and right. And the noise is very low. Slim aluminum alloy housing with a pen-shaped design. It fits very well to my hand, it is like a pen. Ultra precision flexible circuit design and ensures long lifetime. It has an automatic and manual operation design and ensures high working efficiency. Equipment with magnetic board, that means when you screw something it will not fall out, it will hold the screw. The dual motor torch is 0.12 to 3 Newman. We've got 150 RPM per minute. And the keys to working, it is like a piano keys, as you can see, very slim. Battery can last about 180 days and it can last about 8 hours continuous working. Well, let's find something to repair to see how it works. Now let's say we've got this laptop and we need to repair it. Find the right bit. And you can see, and the screw, it is in the bit, magnetic. Or you can unscrew it manually. If it is too hard to unscrew it with a power, just unscrew it manually and then press to unscrew it with the power. It is your choice how you want to use it. It depends on the work that you need to do. Or if you want, you can repair the keyboard. Again, find the right bit that you want to use, and you can unscrew with a hand manually, and then it will take it out. You can see it cannot do it, but you can help it, and then it will do it. Or maybe you want to fix a hard drive. Choose the right bit, unscrew it with your hand first, and then these screws are not magnetic. And tighten it with your hand. Very easy. Or you want to repair a smartphone. Choose again the bit that you want. And there it is. Again, you can screw it back. Well guys, that was all about this Wowstick precise screwdriver. I cannot think myself how many electronic devices that we've got in our everyday life that we can repair, fix them and use this screwdriver. There are so many. Laptops, smartphones, tablets, PC parts. You can build your own desktop. You can assemble all the parts at the box with the help of this precision screwdriver. And with the precise bits that is included at the box, you can fix more precise jobs, maybe a watch, things that they've got small screws. And if you are a professional, you can use it at your workshop. It will help you to fix things. I'm sure you will find out the right job to use this precise screwdriver. If you need to buy something like that, you can check down below to the description all about this product, where you can find it, where you can buy it. There is a coupons and it is on sale now. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.